Hello guys, my name is Anthony and today we're going to open up a dino egg from this box. It's from a present from Christmas. I saw another YouTuber have this, doing this, but in the easier way, you can do this. And there's a little tiny dinosaurs, look, see there's dinosaurs inside, so you have to soak it and smash it. See, it came off, so now we have to smash it more. Guys, I see a dinosaur in there. Oh, God, it's a blue dinosaur now. It's a blue dinosaur. Come on. Okay, guys. I have to clean this. Ta-da! It's a baby. So now we're doing that. I'm sorry, this is taking so long. So this is the baby dinosaur, and you have to be careful with it because it might break. So that's why you never break a little tiny dinosaur. I'm doing it like this. My dad was planning to dig these up, and I have to dig them up. It looks like we're finding dinosaur bones. I don't know if you like that idea, but you can do it. You can buy this. It's like fun. So you can also take this off like doing this. Look. Oh, almost got it. Almost got it. Almost got it. Stuck. Oh, wait, let's take this off. Oh my gosh, got something on me. I got it.
You have to take his head off, huh?
I took it out. Now we have to put it in more water, cause look.
Okay, let's go wash it in the sink.
See all that? That's from the egg.
Take it out and wash it. No, take it out the cup. There, just wash it in the water. There.
It's a water dinosaur, Dad. It's a water dinosaur. Hey, Dad, look, it's one of the water dinosaurs.
Oh, what's it called?
I don't know.
Look at the chart.
Let's go take it on the chart, guys. That's the egg that was in. That was it. Okay, let's put.
No.
Okay.
The paper that you put in there has the chart.
No, there's a chart right here.
That's.
You want to have it? What name is it? I don't see this one. Oh, what is it called?
Plesiosaurus.
A plesiosaurus. I have a plesiosaurus. See, a plesiosaurus, guys. Yum. Oh, you didn't see. And press this button really hard. Come down. And press it again. Ta-da! Swipe on you. And you can do this. You can do a lot of things. Bye, guys.